Let me call the case of People versus Conrad Robert Murray, case number SA 073164. Dr. Murray is present in court with his counsel, Mr. Chernoff and Mr. Flanagan. The people by their counsel, Mr. Walgren and Ms. Brazil. Good morning.
Character letters that were attached to the sentencing memorandum, certain aspects of Dr. Murray's.
We received some information today from the prosecution for the first time that they, some case law regarding legality of imposing a sentence and classifying this as a serious felony.
Panish, if you'd be kind enough to try to get to the other side as expeditiously as you can. Obviously, some people are going to have to be inconvenienced for a moment.
There's no way to adequately describe the loss of our beloved father, son, brother, and friend. We still look each other in disbelief. Is it really possible that he is gone? As Michael's parents, we could never have imagined that we would live to witness his passing. It is simply against the natural order of things. As his brothers and sisters, we will never be able to hold, laugh, or perform again with our brother Michael. And as his children, we will grow up without a father, our best friend, our playmate, and our dad. We are not here to seek revenge. There is nothing you can do today that will bring Michael back. But we will keep the love in our hearts that Michael embodied throughout his life. His passion was for unifying the world through the gift of his artistry. We respectfully request that you impose a sentence that reminds physicians that they cannot sell their services to the highest bidder and cast aside their Hippocratic oath to do no harm. As we all know from this tragedy, doing so can have devastating results. The Bible reminds us that men cannot do justice. They can only seek justice. And that is all that we ask as a family, and that is all that we can ask for here. Thank you, Your Honor.
And that this behavior, this careless and reckless behavior on the part of Dr. Murray was continuing for at least 2 months before Michael Jackson died at the hands of Dr. Murray. On June 25th, 2009, we know that Conrad Murray administered propofol once again, as he had done the prior 2 months. We know that during that time, when Michael Jackson was sedated, heavily sedated, under propofol and other benzodiazepines, that he was left alone and abandoned by the person he entrusted his life with, Dr. Murray. And we know that Michael Jackson, as a direct result of the actions of Dr. Murray, died on June 25th, 2009, leaving his 3 children without their father.
Action. actually to send Dr. Murray to state prison, if I accept your argument?
He would not be housed in state prison.